everyone, my name is Sachit and today I'll be introducing our IoT-based smart shopping system. Our team consists of myself, Sachit Anand, Siddharth Biju, Shindo AS and Tarun Sabu. We are guided by our respected Anurand sir. Now, every one of you must have gone to a shopping mall or the supermarket or some of the small grocery stores. They provide people with items that are necessary for their daily life. You must have noticed those long queues that are at the billing counters. Such queues can lead to a tedious and time-consuming shopping process, and after purchase, the customer, in most cases, tends to be rather unsatisfied with the services of the store. The situation is much worse because of the COVID pandemic right now, since we have to maintain a social distance. Therefore, we introduce our IoT-based smart shopping system to solve such issues. Our system is based on IoT or Internet of Things. IoT is a network of devices or systems that are connected to each other and can exchange data over the internet. Our system consists of radio frequency identification sensors, a lock mechanism, ESP8266 microcontroller, and a set of mobile applications. Our model is designed to eliminate time-consuming shopping process so as to ensure quality services. Now, this is our architecture, and on the top left corner you can see the card mechanism. The card contains an RFID reader, electronic lock and an ESP8266 microcontroller. Each product will have an RFID tag attached to them, and the RFID reader reads the information from the RFID tag and transfers this to the server, which is a Firebase server. The customer can use his or her mobile application to view the data. And we have also created a management mechanism for the employee also. So the employee using the desktop app can insert items into the item database. Then they also have a mobile application which is used to remove unwanted items from the customer's cart. Next up, we'll see the major databases. So first of all, we have the customer database, which has the email, name, password, and phone number of the customer. Then we have the item database, which contains the name, RFID value, and price of the product. Then later on, we have the card database, which contains the status of the lock and a set of RFID codes, which denote the products. Now we'll see what a customer has to do. First of all, they should install the smart card application. Then they should log in or sign up. Then after that, they should scan the QR code of the card to connect to that card. Then after that, they can just simply put in the products after scanning. And after shopping, they can just simply pay through the UPI mechanism. And after that, the card gets unlocked automatically so that they can remove the items. Next up, we have the mobile employee mobile application. So the main purpose of this application is to allow the employee to manually lock or unlock the customer's card and remove unwanted items. So the employee should log in first, scan the QR code of the respective card, and they can delete the items, unlock the card, remove them, and later on lock it back in. Then we have the employee desktop application, which is used to input data into the item database. So they should first log in, and after that they can insert, view, update, or delete data from the item database. Next up, we'll see how the desktop application works.
These are the electronic components used by the shopping cart. This is the Node MCU ESP8266 module. It features a 32-bit RISC CPU, 32 KB instruction and 80 KB user data memory. It has 16 digital I/O pins and one analog input pin. It also features IEEE 802.11 Wi-Fi. This is a RC522 RFID card reader. This is used by the shopping cart for scanning items. It operates at 13.56 MHz frequency to communicate with RFID tags. It has a reading distance of 6 centimeters. This is the RFID tags which are attached to each item. This can be used by RFID reader to uniquely identify a product. This is a 12-watt solenoid lock. It can be used to unlock and lock card and operates at 12 volts DC current. When the voltage is applied, the lock unlocks, and the voltage is not applied, the lock locks. This is the buzzer module. It is an audio signaling device. The buzzer module rings when it is electrified. This is a 12-watt battery that is used to power the system. It is also used to power the solenoid lock. And finally, this is a circuit diagram of the shopping cart.
This is the customer application called Smart Shopping to display the cart details and automatically generate the billing process of the items. At the beginning, it displays the login screen or the sign in screen. If the customer doesn't have an account, it can navigate to the sign up page. Here, the customer can enter the full name, email, password, and phone number to successfully register with the Smart Shopping. If the customer by chance has forgotten the password, there is an option to enter email for reset link. Now we are going to log in to our Smart Shopping. This is the dashboard of our Smart Shopping. It displays the offer pages that shows the current offers in the market. The profile page displays the full name, email and phone number of the customer. There is an option to change the profile if necessary. There is also an option to reset the password. The settings page gives direct access to the customer to comfortably change the profile. It also has an option to change the profile picture if necessary. The navigation bar has options like dashboard, profile, cart, settings and logout. The dashboard directs to the dashboard itself. The profile shows the profile. The cart, since the cart is yet to be connected, it shows 0. This is a settings page that is already told. We must press connect to scan the QR code. By doing so, we connect the card to the application.
After pressing the connect button, we have to scan the QR code. As you can see, now the cart is connected to the phone via the app. Now, when we press the cart button, no items are inserted. So, we are going to insert some items first. As you can see, the items inserted in the cart are being updated in the app. If a customer tries to unlock the cart before paying the bill, it will not unlock, as you can see. As you can see, the cart is not unlocked.
Items that are scanned will be displayed in the cart. It fetches the data from the item database and cart database. It also automatically calculates the total amount and displays at the bottom of the screen. To proceed to the payment page, we must click to pay. It consists of the automatically generated amount from the cart, the name field, and any note field to be entered if any. By clicking on the Send by UPI, it initiates the payment process and directs to the applications like Google Pay, Fed Mobile, Paytm, etc. that are already present in the mobile device. After the payment is completed, the card will be unlocked.
Customer can unlock the card by pressing this button. And they can open the cart like this and take the items home. After 30 seconds, the lock will automatically lock. This is done to save the battery. Now the lock is locked.
This is the login page of the employee app. The login page supports only single credentials owned by the employee so that no other person can enter into the app. This is the dashboard of the app. The connect button is for connecting the card to database. The lock and unlock buttons are used for changing the lock status of the card in database.
After scanning the QR code, the cart is connected to the app. Now, if we press the lock button, the cart is locked and it cannot be unlocked by anyone, as you can see. If we press the unlock button, the cart is now unlocked. Now anyone can unlock the cart by pressing this button. The red light indicates that the cart is now unlocked.
The card button shows various items purchased by the customer. The employee can view the list and delete the items if necessary. Now the view is updated. By this, we come to our conclusion. We have developed smart shopping system using various technologies in IoT. Our system allows the customer to quickly and efficiently add items into the cart and manage them. After purchase, the customer can make payment through UPI and thus prevent long queues at the billing counter. Also, the desktop app enables the employee to efficiently manage the store inventory. That's all. Thank you.